it's time to let the dogs out like a big dog. Let the bottom drop out. Everyone.
That's crazy, man. I had to get out here and warm up the Tahoe a little bit. It's telling me to service the airbag. Imagine that. Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Bank account steady, like the rumble of my drum. Count numbers. Whoa. Keep bumping along, still in the game. Keep bumping this song. Say my name, say my name. Serving my game like a West Coast player. Stacking this beat with a solid bass layer. Rolling on Mac with my woofers.
That window's open.
Ain't selling drugs, but I'm cashing them checks. My mind stays steady as my body gets weak. I got momentum and I know.
That high note.
I ain't trying to brag, just keeping it real. Spent many years going up this hill.
That high note's absolute murder in here, dude. I don't remember which note that is, but it really rings your can. So yeah, she's ready to go, man. You need to go get some gas in the old girl, though. But everything is solid. Got the bass knob in here. Voltage is recovering. It ain't been charged in a minute. Let's see if we can pick it up a little bit. Yeah, it's coming up. But I got a lot of batteries to charge. But yeah, so that thing is working. It's all green. Has the off and on. Rolls on nice and smooth. I like it. It's killer, man. Voltage is a little bit low right now, though. So that's the voltage I've been using, the 13.3. We're reading 1 point difference, but I always knew that one read just a tiny bit low anyway. It's coming back up now, though. So let's hit it again. Turn this up to my normal operating volume. Getting that cut out, that's from the for some reason when I'm using the camera and the music app on this stereo system, it does weird glitches. It doesn't do it on that one though, in the car, just in the Tahoe. This is why I always run music for demos off my pen drive and the Tahoe, because if I'm trying to run it off the phone and video at the same time, I get some sketchy, skippy weird shit happening. Something to do with the radio and the camera, I don't know. But it is what it is. I just work around it. Alright guys, we're in the Chrysler. We're in the Chrysler with no subwoofers. This is just the 6x9s in the doors, in the back dash, and the 3.5 MBXs, of course, all MBX speakers on the dash.
Rolling up hard, 300C, low bass drop just for me. Bill stay clean, bass is tight. As all hidden just right. Big touch screen, got the sound on lock. Beats keep rolling, ain't got no stop. Tuned up right with a DSP. Sweet sound floating just like a breeze. I ain't gonna do it, ain't gonna do it unless I'm doing it right. Yeah, if I'm gonna hit it, go hit it. Gonna hit it all night. That bass keeps dropping, keep dropping. Airspace getting tight, keep bumping this song. Yeah, bumping. And feeling alright. If you like the song, check CAE. Stream worldwide, you can jam for free. Call audio enthusiasts on YouTube. Get subscribed and like it too. If you like loud, check my Tahoe bill. 415s, you can feel for real when I hit the knob. You gon' cough, then bass slams in. Take your hair right off. I ain't gonna do it, ain't gonna do it unless I'm doing it right. Yeah, if I'm gonna
Yeah, I think that'll work. That's a lot better. We'll play the hammer. Big John's Hammer Baby. This track.
Big Tahoe car audio flow. Clean up time to do the live show. Got big wives so the power can move. Run underneath in the frame rail groove. I run my wires underneath my beats. Don't need an anaconda under my feet. Drunk thunder, lithium, no retreat. Sending that power to my beat. Yeah, hammer. Dropping bass like a hammer. Window busting door. Slammer. Like Big John. Hammer. Dropping bass like a hammer. Window busting door. Slammer.
Not a lot of bass.
Like Big John. All line up, slaps, amps on deck, lockdown.
We're getting some.
listen up, sexy.
No select agenda. You can always make one up. Identify as a solo cup. We can do a reassignment, do a mental realignment. It's not perfect, needs refinement. You can choose and we design it. Don't be sad, just take a pill. Eat your veggies, eat your fill. Rabbits do it, yes they do. But man, don't they eat radish too? You'll be strong and you will win. You'll get medals with your friends. Stay out of that dirty sand. Come here, let me hold your hand. What, now, all alone. No, baby, mommy, watch your phone. What, now, go back home. Eat your veggies all alone. What, now, all alone. No, baby, mommy, watch your phone. What, now, go back home. Eat your veggies all alone. Now wash your face with Tidy Bowl. Kill those germs, keep you clean. You part of the machine. Here's your sign and megaphone. Here's your vest and here's your phone. You're not detained, you're free to go. Got your papers, do not show. Don't pick you nose or pick your friends. I will pick them, just press send. Text your mommy if you're scared. I have Netflix, we can share. Now here's your helmet, knee pads too. Hold them on with super glue. Now we lay you down to sleep. Just a pretty little sheep.
Ah.
alone. No, baby, mommy, watch your fuck go back home. Eat your veggies all alone.
Yeah, it's a little bit of satire. Anyway, sounding good. Now we just got to put a subwoofer in here.